Now whatever niche you're in, I would always recommend blogging. Now the great thing about blogging in this day and age is bloggers often help each other. There's a real good community spirit within bloggers, and a great place to network with other bloggers and help each other out is the website Triberr. Now, as you can see, this is the home page, but when I log in and create a brand new profile, this is what I see. Now at the moment it's completely empty, my stream. However, if I joined what was called a tribe, which is a group of people all in the same niche who all help each other, I would see posts from my tribe members here, and I would have the opportunity to share them. And the same way, if I'd posted, my tribe members would see my post within their stream. So of course the first thing to do is consider joining some tribes. You will need a blog up and running first, of course. So if you click on the Tribes tab, you could either create your own tribe or join an existing tribe. Now as you can see, there are different types of tribes down here, and you can see the members in each tribe and their reach. So the amount of people that are following their blogs in total. So as you can see, small business here, pretty large reach. Social beards, interesting niche there, pretty large reach. And so on and so forth. So there's lots of different tribes. Now, of course I can use the search facility as well. But what I'm going to do is click on bonfires. Now, the bonfires are basically a message board where new members or people who have just created tribes would basically put their message out there to recruit new people. So as you can see, or people looking for tribes in their niche. So as you can see, any ETSY tribes out there. I'm a natural health fanatic looking to connect with like-minded. If I click on this, I'm going to get the full complete post, of course. Started a new tribe about people who love investing. I'm looking to join active tribes, sharing 2 to 3 days per week minimum. So as you can see, there are people out there who want to share and want to help each other. And this is basically, as a blogger, what you want to do. You want to have a whole community, and instead of, just spamming your blog with affiliate links, what you want to do is start to grow your following, grow traffic together, and all help each other out. So as you can see, the categories of the bonfire are over here on the right hand side, or you can search if you have a particular niche that you want to search for. Now if you want to create a new topic, just to actually put your message out there, perhaps ask if there's a tribe for you, you just click this start new topic button. So the thing about Triberr is it's just really simple, and when you join a few tribes, all you have to do is, when you log in, you'll see the posts right here, and the posts that you like, you can share them. So it's dead simple, and people will also share back for you if you have good, valuable content. So that's Triberr, folks, and if you're a blogger, you should definitely be on here.